Right, so the first thing that we need to do when we're going to work on a real data set is actually download it from the internet and upload it to our Colab environment. So that's what we're going to have a look at doing today. So if you move on to the next lesson, you'll find all the links there, and I'm going to show you how to use them. So if you click on to the next lesson, hold download data for the lesson. At the bottom, you have the ability to download the text file that we're using. So if you click that, that will download that to your computer. What we then need to do is read it into Colab. So the scripts are up here. So first of all, highlight the first set of red text. So this is reading in from a library called Google Colab, and we're going to use a function called import files, which allows us to actually upload a file to our Colab environment. So copy that text, paste it in, run that code block, and then all you do is pick your file out. So if we go straight to the downloads, the Darwin's file is there, and it will upload it to our environment. So that's uploaded the data. We now need to read in, and that's the second set of code that we've got here in red. So the code to read in the data in your Colab environment. So we're importing CSV. So we're importing a library that allows us to import a CSV file. We're going to open it. Then we're going to read it in using CSV Reader, and then we're going to load it onto our Colab. So you need to copy that and paste that in. So the only thing you need to change here is that we're going to find out in a few lessons' time that Python is very white space sensitive. It's very sensitive to the tabs, and you lose the tabs when you save it in here, so we need to add them back in. So under this with statement, the next two lines, beginning with reader and beginning with my list, just need to be tabbed in by 1. Shift and return that to read the data in, and we need to check that we've read our data in, because there's no point in doing a load of work on our data when it's not actually read in. And if you print it out, you should get your list of lists of your Darwin data printed out there. So that's what you need to do. So those commands to copy and paste are in the next lesson, and the file that you need to download is in the next lesson. So I've shown you what to do there. Pop into the next lesson, get this loaded in, and then join me after that when we're going to have a look at what information is hidden in this data set.